Hi, thank you for clicking on this video, and today what I'm going to share with you is Firebase Hosting with NameCheap domain. So let's get it on. I have with me here malinks.xyz domain, and it is a simple project that I have here. And you can see here on top I have connected malinks.xyz/Haris, and at the same time I have some redirection. First step is you need to go to a NameCheap website to buy a domain name. I will recommend you to buy the XYZ because it's very cheap. It's only $1 per year. And then once you have bought it, go to your Firebase hosting page and click on add custom domain. I have with me which is called classmine.com. You can ignore this and press continue. So it says here you need to add a TXT record to your DNS provider. So copy this by clicking on this icon. Then what you need to do is you have to go to your dashboard, click on the domain that you want to connect to Firebase hosting, click on manage. This will bring you to this page. Click on advanced DNS. Now at the bottom you'll see here add new record. Click on it, scroll down to see TXT record. The host will be the sign at and the value will be the one that you have. One thing to take note is that you have to remove these two records. Then go back to your Firebase hosting, click on add custom domain, type in your domain name, continue, verify. So once it's successful, I apologize because the previous domain wasn't working. So this works now, quarter life crisis, and it will look something like this. So you have to add 2 A records to the domain of your DNS provider, and same thing, we'll use the @ sign and paste our IP address, paste here and save both changes and press finish. Would you like to add www? Yeah, sure. So you add them. It's already verified from our previous step. You can leave the host as it is. So it's an A record type again. Alright, and then you just save all the changes. Once you wait for maybe around 10 minutes or so, your custom domain will actually look something like this, where it says it's pending because the domain changes are propagating. And you've clicked on this link, it will say it is not secure. You can just proceed. It shows up your app that you have successfully built. So that's it. It's pretty easy for you to put your domain inside Firebase hosting using NameCheap. So if you like this video, if you think it's helpful, smash the like button, and if you want more, click on the subscribe button, and yeah, comment down on what projects you have with your successful domain connection with Firebase hosting. And that's all. Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.